Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The Mumbai Goa Coastal Highway.
Correct, sir.
This is a very new project, and everybody was expecting that project to happen, which will help people reach Goa within 7 to 8 hours.
Correct.
And in addition to the 4-lane highway, that is currently, the work is currently going on, but that will be another major infrastructure project that is coming up. Definitely try to have a tie-up with Goa government, and that is regarding Marathi language. We spend a lot of money on development of Marathi language all over the world. So there are certain areas where Marathi is being spoken. In Indore, in Madhya Pradesh, then in Gwalior it is spoken, in Panipat it is spoken,
Correct.
in Goa it is spoken, in Belgaum it is spoken. So Marathi is one of the major language of India. Promotion of Marathi will be our priority, especially for Goa. And then we can have joint ventures for tourism development in Goa. So Goa is one of the best infrastructure in the whole of India. And we must take some lessons from how they have developed the sports complexes, tourism infrastructure, food roads. And that is a unique example for which always think that one should look at Goa, how best infrastructure could be developed and how best a state could progress when they have good relations with the central government. And Maharashtra is right now going through the same phase.